Hey guys, today let's learn how to transfer data from old iPhone onto your new iOS device. All you need to do, guys, is to actually activate your iCloud. So by doing this, you do need to have your Apple ID verified and enabled. So all you need to do is to head on over to your settings over here. So basically all you need to do, guys, is to click over here onto your Apple ID. And I want you guys to sign in and of course to sign up as well. So basically, once you have done that, you could actually now head on and feel free to use all of the data, basically the features of your phone, because all of or rather everything you do over there will be automatically uploaded onto your iCloud. And basically everything that you did and downloaded on your device will be uploaded onto your iCloud, which means that everything, or rather, when you move on to or transfer onto a new device, it will automatically be downloaded, or rather, all of your data from your old device will automatically be downloaded on your new device, since you are using the same Apple ID, but you could actually head on and do this. There's actually an option over here. It should be right here on over here. So over here on General, once you click on General, you can actually head on and click on Transfer, and you could actually head on and click over here on Get Started to prepare for a new iPhone. But basically, all of your iCloud storage will be moved onto your new device. So click on Continue, and you could actually just use that as well. Move all app data with iCloud as well. And then basically once you've done that, it's automatically going to be synced. And then you are now going to be successfully moving your iCloud onto, or rather all your data into your iCloud. It's actually backing up over here. And basically, once you log into your new phone using your Apple ID over here, it's automatically going to be there. Now, thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys